First, diamonds can burn. Did you know that diamonds can actually burn? Even though they're the hardest material, they are made of carbon. And if you heat a diamond above 800 degrees Celsius, 1472 Fahrenheit, in the presence of oxygen, it will catch fire and turn into carbon dioxide gas. So yes, a diamond can be destroyed by fire. Second, diamonds found in space. Scientists have discovered diamond-like crystals in meteorites. Some meteorites that hit Earth contain microscopic diamonds formed during cosmic collisions in space. There's even a star called Lucy in the Milky Way. It's essentially a massive diamond core weighing 10 billion trillion carats. Third, diamonds don't always sparkle white. While most people know clear diamonds, there are colored diamonds too. Blue, pink, yellow, even red, which is the rarest. The famous Hope diamond is deep blue and believed to carry a curse. Color in diamonds often comes from trace elements. Boron gives blue color, nitrogen gives yellow. Deformation in crystal gives pink or red. Fourth, diamonds grow deep in the... Natural diamonds form about 150 to 200 kilometers, 93 to 124 miles beneath the Earth's surface, under intense pressure and heat. They're brought to the surface through volcanic eruptions inside rocks called kimberlite pipes. These eruptions happened millions to billions of years ago. 5. Not all diamonds are good for jewelry. Only about 20% of mined diamonds are gem quality. The rest, around 80%, are used for industrial purposes like cutting, drilling, and grinding. These are called industrial diamonds, and they might not look beautiful, but they're incredibly useful. 6. Diamonds can be made from people. Yes, you read that right. Some companies now offer services where they turn ashes of loved ones into diamonds using high pressure and temperature. It's a way for people to create a memorial stone that lasts forever. Largest diamond ever found. The biggest rough diamond ever discovered is the Cullinan diamond, found in South Africa in 1905. It weighed 3,106 carats, that's over 600 grams. It was later cut into multiple stones, some of which are now part of the British crown jewels. Diamonds can conduct heat, but not electricity. Diamonds are excellent thermal conductors, better than copper or silver, but they're electrical insulators. That's a rare combo in material science and makes them useful in futuristic tech like quantum computing and high-powered lasers. Welcome back, gemstone lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the dazzling world of crystals to explore two of the most fascinating stones on Earth, diamond and quartz. They may both sparkle, but the differences between them are crystal clear, if you know what to look for. Let's begin. Number 1, composition and structure. Diamonds are made entirely of carbon atoms arranged in a cubic structure. This unique atomic bond is what makes them the hardest natural material on Earth. Quartz, on the other hand, is composed of silicon and oxygen. Its formula is SiO2, and it has a hexagonal crystal structure. So even though both can look beautiful and shiny, they come from very different chemical worlds. Let's talk about hardness. On the Mohs scale, which measures scratch resistance, diamond sits at 10, the very top. Quartz, it ranks at 7. That means diamonds can scratch almost anything, including quartz. This is one of the easiest ways to tell the difference if you're testing stones in the field or at home. Natural diamonds often contain tiny inclusions, microscopic imperfections that can be seen under magnification. Quartz crystals also contain inclusions, but they often appear different, sometimes as colorful veils or wispy lines. Some clear quartz may resemble diamonds, but experts can easily spot the difference by observing how light travels through them. For sparkle and light, diamonds have a high refractive index, about 2.42, which gives them their famous sparkle known as brilliance. They also show fire, colorful flashes of light. Quartz, by comparison, has a lower refractive index, around 1.54, so it doesn't sparkle nearly as much. In other words, quartz may be pretty, but diamond steals the show when it comes to shine. Diamonds are rare, expensive, and tightly controlled by global markets. Quartz, on the other hand, is one of the most common minerals on Earth. You can find quartz in jewelry, watches, electronics, even in sand. That's why a small diamond can be worth thousands, while a large quartz crystal might only be worth a few dollars. Use in industry. Both stones have industrial uses. Diamonds are used in cutting tools, drills, and lasers due to their extreme hardness. Quartz is essential in electronics, especially in watches, where it vibrates at precise frequencies to keep time. 7. Natural versus synthetic. Today, both diamonds and quartz can be created in laboratories. Synthetic diamonds are chemically identical to natural ones and often cheaper. Synthetic quartz is also widely used, especially for tech. But natural diamonds still hold a special place in the world of luxury and symbolism. Conclusion. So what's the verdict? Diamonds are rare, ultra-hard, and highly valuable. Quartz is common, versatile, and still very beautiful. They may look similar at first glance, but once you understand their chemistry, hardness, and sparkle, they're worlds apart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gemstone discoveries.